Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to install the latest version of Python, which is Python 3.14.5 on your Mac. We'll download it directly from the official Python website, run the installer, verify the installation in terminal, and make sure everything is working correctly. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. I am going to open Google Chrome. In the address bar of your browser, type python.org and hit enter. It's going to take you to the official website of Python. Now hover over the downloads menu item. Python automatically detects your operating system, so you should see a label download for macOS over here. Now click on this button to download Python 3.14.5. Once you click on the button, it's going to ask you where exactly you want your Python installer to be downloaded. I recommend you choose the downloads folder only and then click on save. And you can see your Python installer is downloaded. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once the download is complete, click on this icon that says downloads and it's going to show your package. Click on this icon to open the installer, or you can directly go to the downloads folder and open it from there. So I'm going to click on open here and you can see the Python installer is open. All you need to do now is click on continue. Here you will see some information about Python like certificate verification and OpenSSL. Click on continue here. You are welcome to read the license agreement and then click on continue. Now click on agree to accept the license terms. It says it's going to take 200.3 MB of space on your computer, so you must have this much space on your computer. Now click on install. macOS may ask for your administrator password. Enter your password and then click on install software. There you go. The installation has begun. This usually takes less than a minute. Once the installation is complete, you will see this message that the installation was completed successfully. Congratulations, Python 3.14.5 for macOS 10.15 or later was successfully installed. Now click on the close button. It's going to ask if you want to move the Python installer to the bin. Yes, click on move to bin. You no longer need Python installer. Now at this point, Python has been installed on your Mac. However, we are going to verify it from the terminal. So open the Spotlight search by pressing Command space and type here terminal. Once it appears, hit enter. Now inside terminal type Python 3 space hyphen version. Hit enter and there you go. You should see Python 3.14.5 like this. This confirms that Python has been installed successfully. Now along with Python's version, you must also check the version of pip as well. So type pip 3 space hyphen version. Hit enter and it must display the version of pip as well. If you don't know what is pip, pip is Python's package manager and it allows you to install additional Python libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Flask and many more. Alright. Now Python also comes with a built-in editor called idle, which is great for beginners. Let me give you a quick demo of idle so that you can start Python programming right away. To open idle, press Command space to launch a Spotlight search and type idle here. Make sure you choose the one that says Python 3.14 because that's the latest one. You may see idle from older versions as well. So choose the one that is from Python 3.14. Click on it and there opens idle shell. Now you can write and execute Python commands interactively. So type print and within double quotes type hello world, double quotes again, close the brackets and hit enter. There you go, hello world is printed. Idle also allows you to create Python files. Simply click on file over here and then click on new file. Now you can write your Python code over here. Type print within brackets, within double quotes. Let's write hello from idle. Save this file. You can save it. I'm going to save it on my desktop. I'm going to call it idle Python. Click on save. You can see the file has been saved on my desktop. Now if you want to run this particular Python script, then click on run and then click on run module. There you go. hello from idle is printed. For beginners who are just starting with Python, idle is a simple way to write and run Python programs without installing any additional software. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Python 3.14.5 on Mac from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.